Hey you guys, Esikhomesteddah Homesteader here. All right, you guys, I hope everyone is doing well. It is hecka hot out here, you guys. So I decided to do a little lawn makeover in the front of my home. And if you guys are familiar with my channel, you guys know I don't have the greatest green thumb when it comes to flowers and things of that nature. So I'm working on my beautification with flowers and learning flowers as time go on. Now this area of my lawn I have not did for several years. I'm thinking probably, I would say, over 10 years. Everything that I planted didn't do well in this area. Like I said, I don't have a green thumb when it comes to flowers, but I've been learning about several flowers within the last couple of years. I do love begonias, pansies, and this year I am thinking I'm saying it right, coleus flowers a chance. All right, so this is my first time planting these beauties right here, and they are stunning. They supposed to get tall. I'm not sure how many feet, maybe 2 to 3 feet tall. I also put some begonias in here, which I love begonias because they ball up and they form like a little basketball kind of, so to speak. And I just love them. Look at this worm. He's traveling right there, which is good. He's probably trying to get back down into the ground. So this is what it's looking like. So when I planted these, after planting them, I said, they could have used a couple of more. But I'm glad I didn't put a couple of more in there because my dogs, especially my little black dog, he likes to go under those steps, and that's where he stays cool. So they actually started going into the area, hiding bones. That's what he does. He hides his bones underneath the steps. So I noticed one day on my left side that a lot of my leaves was a little broken off in this area, and so that's why I didn't put any more, but it definitely could use probably about 6 more plants in here. So again, I'm hoping that they realize that I have something growing in here and that they will stay out of it, because they already began to mess up the white fence, the little fencing that I did around here to make it look more decorative and, you know, give it a nice curb appeal. So again, I did put my begonias and my wine barrels, and then I put 2 on each side with the coleus. And I just love these. These are very beautiful plants. So I think I'm gonna give them a go again next year around, and hopefully my dogs will learn that they need to stay out of here. But right now they going towards the back where the cement wall is at because it keeps them cool. So this is what it's looking like, and it did turn out pretty nice. I like the little fencing that I got. I don't know if it's gonna last for a long time because the sun probably will heat them up and make them crack, but right now it looks really, really nice. So I'm kind of digging it, yeah, for right now. And these wine barrels after a while will fill up real nicely with the begonias, and they'll boil up and just look really beautiful, especially from the street. So I'm looking forward to these just blossoming really, really nice. So I did do my mailbox again, and I did pansies at my mailbox, and I did begonias again on my porch. I probably can't see them. I should go up there and let you guys see them with my flower pots. I did that again this year. So let me go up here and show you guys, but y'all pretty much remember how I planted them last year. All right, you guys, so as you can see, we are on the porch. And remember last year I did the begonias. I did the red and the pink again. And these are taking off really nice. I can't wait till these fill out. So I think what I did different was I added some pansies in here, and they are already looking so pretty. And over here as well. So these pots are beginning to fill up real nicely. And then I put a little one right here and set it on the rail of the porch. And then you guys know my beautiful Portland cement pots that I did videos on to show you guys how to make these beautiful pots. They are going strong. That one is. And this is going to fill out real nicely. And there's my blue one where I just threw some pansies in it. And here's my jeans. Y'all remember my jean pot. And here's my little candy. I forgot to actually show y'all how to do this one. I actually did it like it was like a candy wrap. So that's what that is looking like over there. And then I added some, what they call it, mini pansy hanging baskets, which are up here. And it'd probably be better if I give you guys a look from outward looking in. So this is what they're looking like over here, and this one over here. I love hanging baskets. I haven't done them in a long time, so I was like, I gotta get back to my hanging baskets. I've been spending so much money in the back in the homestead that I kind of fell off with the front of the house. So again, I'm trying to bring some more curb appeal to the front of the house. And here's my other Portland cement. That one should fill up nice. And my other pair of jeans over here. My other pots that I did. I think I did the blue ones last year. So this is what it's looking like on the deck. So that's what it's looking like on the deck. And I'm gonna bring you guys a look at the baskets from outward. So that's what these is looking like. And they was telling me in my local nursery that these are mini pansies, and they are self-cleaning pansies, meaning they will die back and just drop off. The other pansies, like the big pansies, you have to pluck those off. So I'm gonna see how these work. But a couple of years back, I used to get the really big ones that ball up and they look so beautiful. But I'm gonna give these a go because I started learning about these, the miniature ones, this year. So this is what my lawn makeover is looking like, you guys. And we have a lot of home improvements going on right now with the house, and there's some more coming. I have to get a new roof. That will be happening within the next 2 weeks. And then we'll be actually probably painting the awning of my porch over. We'll be pressure washing. So it's a lot of things that I have to catch up with as far as home improvements of the house, because y'all know when you be homesteading and you gardening and things, sometimes you lose track of things that need to be done within and around the house. So this is what it's looking like right now. All right, you guys, so this is SEK the Homesteader. Thank you for tuning in to my channel. Make sure you guys thumbs up, like, subscribe, and make sure you hit that notification button. And SEK the Homesteader will see you guys on the next video. Peace.